Hello student, in this video we will learn how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the standard form, right? So first of all, little bit recap of a standard form. That what is a standard form? What is standard form is is to write the number in a shorthand form, right? So the standard form means that to write the numbers in shorthand form, right? And what is the formula of the standard form? A times 10 to the power n. So A means that the numbers include from 1 till 10, or you can say between 1 till 10, right? The decimal numbers can include it. And what is the meaning of this n? N is actually the positive and negative integers, right? Right? So it could be like when you multiplied or divide in this power, right? So here, let's solve this question: how to do addition in the standard form, right? So first of all, the question is 2.6 times 10 to the power 7, right? Plus sign, and 4 times 10 to the power 6. So in this question, what we need to do here, students, we need to change this power, or you can say you need to reduce this power. This power you need to reduce. Reduce means that you need to bring it into 6, right? So how are you going to bring this into 6 here? So let's take this 2.6 times 10 to the power 7. When I will minus 1, it will become 6, right? And we want 6 here. So minus 1 means in the standard form, when you move the decimal towards your right side, that you will use this minus. So R for right side and R for reduce. So you need to do a subtraction. So you jumped like one number ahead, right? So it becomes 26 times 10 to the power 6, right? Then plus sign 4, 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now, as you can see that both the brackets, both the numbers are like terms. Both have 10 to the power 6. Now that what we need to do? Now we need to plus this and this, right? So 26 plus 4, and we left with 10 to the power 6. So here we need to take a common. Okay, 26 plus 4 gives you 30 times 10 to the power 6. But students, can you see this 30? This 30? This 30 is not the standard form. The standard form numbers are from between 1 till 9.9. So we need to convert this into a standard form. How are you going to convert this? As we know that the decimal is here in the end. So when we'll go towards your right left hand side, this will become 3. Okay. So when we'll go towards your left hand side, we need to add. Add what? You jumped only one digit towards your left hand side. So plus 1. Got it? So 3.0 times 10 to the power, yeah, 10 to the power 10 to the power 7. Got it? Or you can say 3 times 10 to the power 7. They both are same. So this is the answer of the addition. Got it? Now, subtraction. How to subtract in the standard form? So, the question is 1.15 times 10 to the power 9 minus, right? 2 times 10 to the power 7. Now same thing here, that you need to bring this 9 into 7 because here we have 7. Okay, so for this 7, I mean this 9 converted into 7, you need to minus 2, right? So 1.15 times 10, 9 minus, sorry, 9 minus 2. Then you will get 7, right? So move this decimal towards your right side. R means right and R means reduce, right? Because why towards your right side? Because the U used here minus 2, and minus always tells you that you need to go to your right side. Fine, student. So here it becomes 115, okay, times 10 to the power 7. Okay, now both the brackets we have same here, so you need to minus what? You need to minus 115 and 2. So when you minus 115 and 2, and 10 to the power 7 is the common one, right? So what you will get, student? You will get 113 times 10 to the power 7. As you know that, students, 113 is not your standard form. So how are you going to convert this into a standard form? Like your decimal is in the end. If there is no decimal, decimal is in the end. So you need the numbers between 1 till 9.9. So you need to do one jump and two jumps, right? The two jumps towards your left hand side. So you need to add plus 2. Okay, which gives you 1.13 times 10 to the power 9. This is your answer, right? Okay, now multiplication. In multiply, students, what we need to do? We need to, like the examiner now, will check your decimal multiplication in multiply the standard form, right? So the question is 3.2 times 10 to the power 8, sorry, okay, times 2 times 10 to the power 7, right? So here, sorry, we need to multiply 3.2 with this 2, right? So 3.2 multiplied by 2 gives you 6.4, right? So 6.4 in multiplication, as we learn indices, we will add the powers, right? So 8 plus 7, 6.4 times 10, 8 plus 7 is 15, okay? So this is your final answer, and you can check this 6.4 is already in a standard form, okay? So this is the final answer, right? The multiplication part also we have done, we have learned. Now the the last one is divide. Okay, the fourth one is divide. Okay, let's write the question. 6.3 times 10 to the power 11, right? And divided by 7 times 10 to the power 4 here. Okay, here what we need to do, we need to divide 6.3 with this 7. And you must know this, right? Very important, because the examiner will check this part, right? 6.3 divided by 7. So are you going to do this? This is multiply by 10 here, right? And here also multiply by 10. Why multiply by 10? Because there is only a one digit after the decimal. So we need to remove the decimal from the 6.3. So it will give you what? It will give you 63 over 7. So 7 ones are 7. So it's supposed to be 10. Okay, my bad. 7 into 10 is 70. So 7 tens are 70. 7 nines are 63. It gives you 9 over 10. And when we divide it, the point is here, it will go backward. So it gives you 0.9. Right? So here 0.9, okay, multiply by 10, we have here 11 and we have here, so though it's a division, so we will minus it. Okay, we have learned this in indices. So 0.9 times 10, 11 minus 4 gives you 7. Okay. Now, students, can you check this? The 0.9 is not the standard form. So you need to convert this into a standard form. So how are you going to convert this into a standard form? So you need to move this decimal towards your right side. So R for right, R for reduce, we use minus 1, right? So it becomes 9 times 10 to the power 6. Got it? This is the answer. I hope that students, you will learn how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the standard form. Thank you. And in the next video, we will learn how to arrange these standard forms in ascending order, right? That question is very, very important. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and must watch the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.